Hi, viewers. Today we're looking at one of the most extraordinary vehicles to hit the road in 2026, an ultra-modern luxury motorhome that doesn't just redefine mobile living, it completely transforms it. Imagine a machine that combines off-road dominance with five-star luxury, and you've got this futuristic beast. It's not just a home on wheels, it's a high-tech mansion designed for adventure, comfort, and pure indulgence. Let's start with the exterior. It features a stealthy, aerodynamic design with active suspension, all-terrain tires, and full 360-degree terrain scanning sensors. Built with a carbon titanium shell and bullet-resistant smart glass, it can handle snow, sand, rock, or jungle without breaking a sweat. Solar panels are seamlessly integrated into the roof to keep it energy efficient and self-sustaining even in the wild. Now, step inside and get ready to be amazed. First, the cinema room. Yes, an actual cinema. A 70-inch 8K OLED screen drops. Down with a push of a button, surround sound fills the space, and ambient lighting sets the mood. The plush recliners even come with haptic feedback for immersive movie experiences, whether you're parked in the middle of the desert or deep in the forest. The bedroom is equally impressive. It's a full-size luxury suite with a king-sized memory, foam bed, smart dimmable lighting, and skylight panels with a view of the stars. Climate control, blackout settings, and even sleep monitoring tech are built in, ensuring every night feels like you're at a five-star retreat. And yes, it has a private jacuzzi, because why not? Hidden beneath a retractable floor panel, at the rear of the motorhome, the spa-style jacuzzi comes with UV purification, temperature control, and can even be used under the open sky thanks to the motorized sunroof. Imagine soaking in warm bubbles while surrounded by mountain peaks or desert dunes. In the kitchen, you'll find induction cooktops, a dual-door smart fridge, a dishwasher, and a built-in espresso bar. And to keep things clean and fresh, there's a stacked washer-dryer unit tucked away behind mirrored panels. Plus, all systems, lighting, climate, entertainment, and security, are voice-controlled or accessible via your smartphone. With AI-assisted driving, off-road mapping, and satellite internet on board, this 2026 motorhome truly allows you to go anywhere in style and comfort. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. So whether you're chasing sunsets or escaping civilization, this is your ticket to the future of luxury travel. And it doesn't stop there. This 2026 motorhome is packed with features designed to make extended off-grid living not only possible, but enjoyable. The onboard water filtration system draws from natural sources and purifies it instantly, ensuring you never run out of clean water even in the most remote areas. A high-capacity battery bank and backup hydrogen fuel cell keep everything running smoothly without the need to stop at a power hookup. Security is top-tier too. Biometric access, 360-degree night vision cameras, motion detection, and AI threat analysis ensure your home is safe no matter where you park it. If needed, the vehicle can even auto-lock down and deploy drone surveillance for full perimeter checks, perfect for remote camping or high-security travel. There's also a tech-forward lounge area that doubles as a mobile workstation. Fold-out desks, wireless charging pads, and satellite Wi-Fi make it ideal for digital nomads, creators, or remote professionals who want to stay connected while living off the grid. There's even a retractable drone garage for capturing stunning aerial footage of your travels, and yes, the drone can follow you autonomously. One of the standout features is the smart glass windows. With a tap or voice command, they shift from clear to tinted, frosted, or fully opaque, giving you privacy or panoramic views whenever you choose. And when the sun sets, the ambient lighting system transitions through calming scenes or syncs with your music and entertainment. Maintenance is easy, too. The motorhome comes equipped with self-diagnostics, predictive maintenance alerts, and a virtual concierge that helps you manage systems or book repairs and upgrades from anywhere. Everything about this vehicle has been engineered for independence, luxury, and adventure. So whether you're exploring backcountry trails, chasing auroras across the Arctic Circle, or simply living life on your own terms, this 2026 luxury off-road. Motorhome gives you the freedom to go anywhere, without ever giving up comfort, style, or technology. Thanks for watching, and if you're dreaming of your ultimate